Welcome to the Innovative Agronomy Tools mini video series. This video will explore the disease severity and insect defoliation training by the Crop Protection Network. So you can see this is a tool to help train your eye to percentages of defoliation. We've got a training for corn, for ear rot, and for soybeans. So let's take a look at corn here. And you can choose specific diseases. I'm going to choose tar spot. So now we have this slider tool. And it tells you percentage up here. And this is just you practicing, getting an idea of what it looks like. So we talked earlier about 1% being low. This is what 1% looks like. 5% and above was considered high. So that's what 5% looks like. This is about 12%, 14, and so on, right? So you can try it. Now, when you think that you've gotten pretty well trained on that, this is when you will start the quiz. Okay, so here we go. We're going to begin this assessment and it will show this picture. Wow, that's clearly very high. I'm going to say 50%. Okay, nice job. So it was a 62. I was a little bit off, but you'll see that it has a little bit of a margin. And again, next question, you'll look at it. That's going to tell you that's a 10% and so on. This is just a fun way to really test your skills and help train your eye for defoliation. A lot of our thresholds are counting on an estimate of defoliation, whether from insects or diseases or whatever it may be. And so it's really important that you're actually able to accurately say what those are. So again, that was the disease severity and insect defoliation training by the Crop Protection Network. Thank you for watching this Innovative Agronomy Tools mini video.